What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you guys my 2016 Toyota Camry. I know it's a little different on the channel. I've been showing my Corolla. I thought I'd just show you guys my 2016 Camry and all the things I've done to it. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your notifications on, and let's get started now. So the first thing you can tell, these are the stock wheels. I just painted them gloss black, so they're not anything special. And then I've vinyl wrapped the roof, which I need to redo it. It's not the best job here. I used to have a roof spoiler, but it actually fell off. And then I also vinyl wrapped these side mirrors. Gloss black. Then I have AVS low profile visors. I think they look good. And then on the suspension, I am lowered on, it's hard, you can't really tell, but I'm lowered on teen lowering springs right here. I'm lowered on them. It gave the car about an 1.5 inch drop or so, which makes it look pretty good. Then I have some blacked out taillights, which actually look nice. I'll show you guys what they look like when I turn on the headlights. Alright, you can see they give a nice LED bar, and they also added on this side. On the stock taillight, they don't have any lights on this side, so I think they look pretty good. Then I also blacked out all the chrome on the car, either with gloss paint or I vinyl wrapped the stuff in the front. And then this is a TEQ badge. I forget exactly where I ordered it from, but this is all made out of aluminum, and then it was painted black here. It's actually kind of chipping a little bit. This has been on the car for like 3 years. And then I added some red pinstriping. Kind of hard to see from up top, but I added red pinstriping on the top, or on the bottom over there, and in the front. You can see the red pinstriping up there. I think it gives a good accent color to the car. And then we can talk about the lights. These are also some aftermarket LED lights, all blacked out, everything with projector housings. And they come with a LED tube lighting in them. All of it was plug and play. I think it gives the car a very aggressive look. And then I've added some switchback LEDs on the car, on the front. So when you turn your turn signals on, those will turn orange. And then I did a little more vinyl wrapping. I vinyl wrapped the bottom of the bumper to make it look continuously black. It's kind of like a Lexus style-ish type of thing. So, and I think that makes the front end look way different. I added this 3-piece spoiler. I ordered that from eBay. I'll try to put links to all this stuff in the description if I can find it again. It looks good on here. It was a little hard to line up, make everything look even, but since it's 3 pieces, but I think it looks good. And then this was a vinyl decal that was put onto the front piece. It's actually, I ended up making an acrylic piece behind here, double-sided taped it, and then put a vinyl decal from a guy on Facebook. And then the next thing I've done, I added some sequential LED strips for my turn signals. I tapped them into the bottom ones. And I think it gives the car a nice modern look too. Something I get questions about all the time. They're just a basic LED strip that I ordered off of Amazon and then just tapped it down into the turn signal. And then I also forgot to mention, I got 20% tint, I believe, all the way around, which is legal tint in Florida. Alright, now we'll move on to the inside of the hood. And then under the engine bay, haven't really done any engine mods to this car, except for added a short ram intake from HPS. I've added a Megan Racing strut bar. I painted the engine cover like a dark red. Then I also put a TRD oil cap on it. Other than that, I haven't really done anything. Just kept it clean. Nothing major yet. This car, I mean, I plan on doing some other things too. I'll probably put headers on it. I have no exhaust on it or anything, so that'll probably come in the future. Alright, now let's move on to the inside of the car. Alright, now in the interior, you can tell one of the biggest things I've done was add a 10-inch touchscreen to here, and I am running Apple CarPlay. It's a pretty decent radio. Haven't had many problems with it. Sometimes it does freeze up on me, but not too much. The steering wheel controls also work with it. You can turn the volume up and down. Everybody asks if I can do that, and it does work. Next thing you can see, I put a leather steering wheel wrap on it, which it was sewn on around the original steering wheel, which I think looks pretty good. Gives the car a much nicer look. Also comes with the red strip in the middle, and it feels a lot nicer. It comes with also perforated leather. Sorry, the lighting's kind of bad in here. It's getting a little dark. But then it has the red stitching as well. So this took me a little while to put on. It literally took me like 3 hours, because you literally have to sew it on every single stitch. But it came out nice. Then I've also put on some red pedal shifters. Gives the car a nice new look, better. Not any different functionality, because they're literally just double-sided tape to the original paddle shifters. And then I've added a red badge on top of the other badge on the steering wheel. And that's mainly it on the interior. Haven't really done anything. I did add LEDs all around, so that's not a big thing. And then I also added, you can kind of see it. I'll show a better picture at night what it looks like. I've added the door lights that say Toyota. Oh, then I also added this rear view mirror that comes with the home link buttons. This is actually I forgot where I got it from, but this is actually battery powered, and it just snaps inside of the mirror. But your garage controls are right here, so you don't really have to worry about having one of those things clipped onto your visors. I think this looks a lot nicer and cleaner. Oh, I forgot to mention too, I got a dash cam that's wired to the USB down here. Very hard to tell, there's not a lot of light, but it's wired inside of there. It's a Vava, and you can't even see it, but it's a Vava dash cam. Works okay. It connects with your phone, but sometimes it doesn't want to connect easily, so, but yeah, it's there. It looks good, and it's ran across down the pillar, underneath everything, and into here for power. So alright, well, that's mainly it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below telling me that you guys made it to the end of the video, and comment what you guys want to see about the Camry next, or the Corolla. Either one, doesn't matter to me. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time.